When Adam and Eve disobeyed God, they were not alone. They were tempted by Satan, who was in the form of a serpent. The serpent spoke to Eve, saying things that caused her to doubt God's goodness. Eve ate the fruit from the tree, and so did Adam. Eating the fruit was sin, and they were ashamed. Because they disobeyed God, they had to leave His garden. There is always a consequence for sin, and even the serpent was punished. God is holy and cannot ignore sin, but He is also loving and provides a way out of sin. He gave Adam and Eve a promise that He would make a way to cover the people's sin. God's promise was for a Savior, one who would bring sinful people back to Him and defeat Satan.